teacher. Their teacher had explained them about various forms of business organization. They all have ardent interest in business.
My brother is engaged in a partnership firm. He is earning a very good profit. And I also want to do the same kind of business.
That's a nice idea. You know, but my father is running business in the form of company. He deals in electronic items. I have interest in such a form of business organization. He explains me all about the companies that has aroused a great enthusiasm in me.
Even I want to be a beautician and want to run my own parlor.
Hello everyone, how are you doing?
I'm good.
I'm fine. How about you?
I am perfectly fine. Oh wait. Hello? Yes, today the delivery will be done and meeting is fixed at 5 p.m. with the managers of the company. Yes. Okay, fine.
Hey, what are you doing these days?
Sonali, I told you that I had interest in the company form of business organization. I have taken my father's business and now I am successfully running the business and earning more profit.
That's super. Even I have opened my own bookshop in partnership with my sister.
And I've started my own beauty parlor and I'm earning a good profit. In this way, I can follow my passion and earn my living.
All these different forms have merits of their own. Don't you agree?
Yes, I'm totally agree with you, Supriya. Partnership can be easily formed with just an oral agreement, though a written agreement is stressed as to avoid disputes, and registration is also not compulsory.
Ease of formation is the most important merit of sole proprietorship. It is the least regulated form of business organization.
Company is little complex in formation, but it enjoys the separate legal entity that makes the liability of the person limited. Assets of the company remain safe from being sold off. Registration of company is compulsory under the Act Indian Companies Act 2013.
A balanced decision making is possible as different persons have expertise in different fields, and that helps us to take a prudent decision.
In the company, professional management is possible because a company can hire professionals on a high salary package.
In my business, I receive entire profit, and this provides direct incentive to work hard. There is personal satisfaction involved in working for oneself. I am satisfied with my business.
In the company form, there is sharing of risk and hence it allows us to undertake the risky ventures for earning more profits.
In partnership also, risk is divided among all the partners and everyone gets a share of profit and also share the risk of loss.
Even in sole proprietorship, there is no foundation by law to publish accounts, and in this way, we can maintain the confidentiality of information.
In partnership form also, secrecy can be maintained.
A company has a stable and perpetual succession. A company is not affected by the death, insolvency, and insanity of its members. Company is a creation of law and it is considered to be an artificial person.
The right to run the business and takes all decision lies in my hands, and it leads to quick decision making.
There is a feature of mutual agency in partnership. Every partnership is a principal as well as the agent for other partners.
The management of the company lies in the hands of a board of directors, and moreover, more finance can be acquired by the company.
Hey guys, in this discussion, we got to know about each other's different form of business organization. Hello? Yes, Mrs. Mehta. Okay, I'll be there at 5 p.m. Okay. Guys, I need to head out, but we will meet soon. Okay, bye.
By Sonali, I am also having my meeting with the Kumar Electricals Private Limited. Okay, let's go.
Okay, I will drop you. I also have to buy some books for my bookshop. Bye, Sonali.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Different forms of organizations have its own merits. So many features and advantages did not make them free of demerits. In partnership and sole proprietorship, there is ease of formation. But formation is complex in the company form of organization.
Liability is limited in company, but personal assets are not safe in partnership and sole proprietorship. Secrecy can be maintained by the sole traders and partners, but accounts need to be published by the board of directors.
There is continuity in the company, but sole trade and partnership form is affected by death and insanity. Every form has the scope of being successful if the person running them is capable and tactful.